Business Wales supported Ramsay and White in recruitment. It's been a massive help in it's taken the pressure off. It gave me a chance to spend time with them and actually train them. It's given us the opportunity to offer individuals employment within the community at such a young age. It's just going to grow their potential for their future.
It's grown organically with mainly people who have never had any industry experience. They are the future of our business.
So it changes your perspective on so many things. Jobs Growth Wales Plus has supported me by helping me learn new skills, paying for my qualifications, gain confidence.
It's helped me by developing my skills within Ramsay and White and educating me further.
I recommend businesses to reach out to Business Wales to see what opportunities they can offer them. Even if you're not looking to recruit, the opportunity out there just to educate the staff that you already have, get them qualifications that they can put on their CV, that they can bring into the workplace on a day-to-day. It's absolutely massive, it's fantastic.